how we write 1. Write the number. Now let's write the 2. Curve around, slide right down, that's how we write 2. Write the number. Next we go to 3. Make 2 bumps, just like this, so fun and easy. Whee! Write the number. Now we try the 4. Down across, down once more. Let's cheer and write some more. Write the number. Here comes number 5. Across the top and down you drop and curve it like a slide. Write the number. Now it's time for 6. Make a loop and close the top. That's a clever little trick. Write the number. Let's go write a 7. Across the top and slant it down. Points up to the heaven. Write the number. Round and round, that's 8. Make an S and close the gate. You're doing really great. Write the number. 9 is looking fine. Make a loop and down you go. That's how you write a 9. Write the number. Now we're writing 10. 1 stands tall and 0's round. Let's sing it once again.